Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best camp chair with shade is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of outdoor gear you can own, especially if you enjoy spending time in the sun without the harsh glare or heat. Imagine relaxing in your backyard, at a picnic, or even at a sporting event, all while being comfortably shielded from the sun's rays. This innovative chair combines the comfort of a traditional camp chair with the added benefit of a built-in canopy, offering a personal oasis of shade wherever you go, making it a game-changer for anyone who loves the outdoors but wants to stay protected from UV exposure and overheating. Number 5. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Recliner. Discover unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Recliner. Its smooth reclining system perfectly adjusts to your body for a weightless feel. Stay cool and protected with the adjustable canopy shade. You can also relax with the comfortable, removable headrest pillow. Crafted for the outdoors, this chair features UV-resistant mesh on a sturdy steel frame. It offers exceptional support for a uniquely comfortable experience. Keep everything you need within reach with the detachable side tray. It includes holders for your drinks, phone, and tablet. Its lightweight and folding design makes it easy to take anywhere. Enjoy comfort at home, the beach, or your next outdoor adventure. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline. The adjustable canopy offers personalized shade, while the handy accessory tray keeps your essentials close. If you're looking for a chair that prioritizes comfort and convenience for lounging in your backyard or at the beach, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The shade is adjustable and provides excellent sun protection. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily and is lightweight for transport. Number 4. Quik GYMAX Shade High and Wide Folding Camp Chair. Enjoy the outdoors with our patented adjustable canopy. It lowers and tilts easily, providing shade exactly when and where you need it. Crafted from breathable 600 by 300 denier polyester, this fabric is built for lasting comfort. It's also water, stain, and moisture resistant, keeping it looking new. At just £9, taking this chair anywhere is a breeze. It comes with a convenient carry bag for easy travel and storage. Built with a strong steel frame and a higher arched back, it offers excellent support. The wide seat ensures comfort for extended use. Don't worry about capacity, this chair is designed to comfortably support weights up to 500 pounds. For a smooth setup, please refer to the detailed installation manual provided. Following the steps ensures proper assembly. What we like. This chair offers superior sun protection with its patented adjustable canopy. Its high and wide design, along with a 500 pounds weight capacity, ensures comfort for a wide range of users. If you need a robust and spacious chair that provides excellent shade for outdoor events or general relaxation, this is the one to consider. What people say. The shade is adjustable and provides excellent sun protection. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for outdoor events. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. Number 3. GYMAX Double Camping Chair with Canopy Shade. Stay cool and protected from the sun with our adjustable canopy. It effectively blocks UV rays from all angles, and you can even remove it to enjoy the sunshine. Built with a powder-coated steel frame and breathable Oxford fabric, this chair is designed for long-lasting outdoor use. It's sturdy and can support up to 265 pounds. Keep your drinks and snacks cool with the built-in cooler located between the seats. Each armrest also features 2 cup holders for your convenience. This folding chair easily collapses and fits into the included carrying bag. It's compact and perfect for transporting in your car trunk. Take it anywhere. It's perfect for camping, picnics, beach trips, festivals, or watching sports games. Enjoy your outdoor activities in comfort. Setting up is a breeze. Simply unfold the chair and attach the sunshade, no tools required. What we like. Enjoy the outdoors with a companion in this double camping chair featuring a built-in cooler. The adjustable canopy provides ample shade for 2. If you're looking for a shared seating solution for picnics, camping trips, or watching your kids' soccer games, this offers great value and convenience. What people say. The shade is adjustable and provides good sun protection. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily and is lightweight for transport. Number 2. Best Choice Products Set of 2 Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, Navy Blue. Experience ultimate relaxation with these chairs. They smoothly glide into an ergonomic zero-gravity position, adapting to your body's weight for perfect comfort. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them incredibly portable. Easily take them to the park, beach, or any outdoor event. Keep your essentials close with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder for your convenience. These chairs are built for durability. They have a high weight capacity and are made with flexible, low-wear fabric for lasting quality. Enjoy customizable comfort with the removable, padded headrests. Adjust them to your preferred position for extra support. When open, they offer ample space for lounging. When folded, they become compact for easy storage and transport. What we like. Get double the comfort with this set of 2 zero-gravity recliners. Each chair features a lockable recline and a convenient tray with cup holders. If you're looking for matching chairs for a patio, beach trip, or outdoor event where you want to relax in comfort and keep your drinks handy, this set is an excellent option. What people say. The shade is adjustable and provides excellent sun protection. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag. Number 1. iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Beach Chair. Experience unparalleled stability with its robust square frame construction. It features large, detachable feet that prevent sinking into soft ground, making it perfect for any outdoor setting. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and durable Oxford fabric, this chair weighs just over 2 pounds. Despite its light weight, it can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring strength and longevity. Designed for adventure, it packs down incredibly small and comes with a convenient carry bag. Take it anywhere without adding unnecessary bulk to your gear. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its shock-corded frame and integrated brackets. You can set it up in seconds with no tools required, and all parts stay connected. Stay cool and comfortable with its breathable mesh backrest and deep seat design. It also includes a handy cup holder and side pocket for your essentials. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or on a road trip, this chair is your ideal companion. It's designed for ultimate comfort and convenience in any outdoor scenario. We are confident in the quality of our product. That's why it comes with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This chair is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. Its anti-sinking feet provide stability on soft ground like sand. If you're a backpacker, hiker, or someone who needs a portable and stable seat for various outdoor adventures without the bulk, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The shade is adjustable and provides excellent sun protection. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily for transport and storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.